Okay, we're now live. But you've used the VLOOKUP before at your job.
Yeah, I use it in my job all the time. It's pretty
Okay, you won't
simple.
have any problems.
No,
Yeah, it
it's
didn't
pretty
look too
simple.
bad.
Just yeah, it helps you to find a certain data in big information.
Yeah, I'll play with it a little bit before I jump into this. Um, but that was the main thing in there this time. One of the things you were asking about last time that I wanted to make sure you understand is you wanted to do the standard deviation of just the items for that company, the material costs for that company. And it wasn't too bad. You just used an if statement. So, if, for example, G3 where the company names rat equals whatever you've typed in, then it would list, uh, say, the material costs, and then you just do a standard deviation on that. That was all you had to do. It was really not too bad. So I want to make sure you kind of saw the notes about that. Um,
Yeah, I got it all here.
well, when I was doing that exam, I was just going right along, and I'm thinking, yeah, I've got this whooped. I'm going to get it in early, and then all my data had disappeared. I had to re-find it and put it in, and oh boy. Well, that's the main thing this week is just going to be that VLOOKUP. Um, one of the things I've found really helpful, um, they now have this little video up there. When you go to the page, and the instructor a lot of times gives you some clues what they're looking for. And I have found that to be really, really helpful. So if you just watch that real quick, you'll understand what they want in each column, and that'll help. And once you got that, the rest of it's
Yeah,
easy.
yes, I've been watching them over and over again.
Yeah. Well, this is a little video. Like I said, it's just when you pull up the oh, whoops, I'm on the wrong one. I am 4. Anyway, when you pull up the mini project 6, if you look up at the very, very top of it, right when you get past the outer reminder, the first thing says to complete this project, please watch this video. And
Yeah,
Brother Paulson or what. Anyway, I've just found that's real helpful for me to understand what they're looking for.
okay.
I know it really helped me on the last one. I'd have done it differently if he hadn't said, no, this is what we're looking for. Don't we don't want to have this figure. We want this figure. It's okay. And this one was really good too because I looked at what they wanted in the spreadsheet, and he explained it. This is what we want here, 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 and here. And then I would recommend you do this, move it here, and put this here. And it was just really good. I just thought it was really, really helpful.
Mm,
It'll cut down on the time.
perfect, thanks. I'm just, I'm actually making the mini project right now.
Okay. Well, let's see. wait about 3 minutes, and then we'll call it good for tonight. It's kind of interesting. I'd actually started this class last semester and had to drop it just because of time. Like everybody else, I'm still working, and I just couldn't fit it all in, so I had to drop it.
I
But
believe that's challenging with that, you know, working,
yeah,
studying, family, everything is.
and then the bishop wants me to go out and run around with him, so that's kind of fun. All right, there's Robert.
You know,
Hello. Oh, man. Do this real fast. Okay. We'll give it another minute here. See if Robert wants to type anything in, and then we'll call it good. See everybody on Tuesday. But I would start looking at that exam. It's going to be more involved than the last one was. I think the last one's going to look easy compared to this
yeah,
thing.
a lot of time. No,
Yeah. Try to make it look good and all of those things. Okay. Well, I'm gonna hit the stop broadcast. I'll post this later tonight. And so if you need to, because I asked you to throw this in there when you're doing your
yes, too.
mini project. So I'll have that there tonight.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Okay, Robert says he has no questions. Okay, so we're out of here. Have a good evening, and we'll see you on Tuesday.
Bye.